Hello everybody, this is the fourth video of my channel and the fourth video of the series of basics of Python. Today we are going to learn about data types, and there are many data types such as tuples, lists and dictionaries. So let's jump into it. So let's start with dictionaries. So all data types in Python are enclosed in brackets, and the three types of brackets are round brackets, curly brackets and square brackets. Actually, square brackets. Now the round brackets is used for tuples. Okay, now the this curly ones are used for dictionaries, and the square ones or the rectangle ones are used for list. Okay, list. Now these are the three data types. So let's start off with the simplest one, which is the list. Now let's define a list. Let's say a variable named list, which is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now we want to we can access one part of the list. So let's say we want to print only one from this list, only one. Okay, now there are locations in a list. So let's say there are three like values. So this is value 0, value 1, value 2. So these are the positioning. If I say, let's say if I say print, and then I have the variable name which is the list, and then in square brackets if I write 0, if I write 0, now what will it do? It will go to the 0 coordinate. The 0 coordinate is the first coordinate of a list, which is 1. This is 1. So it will go there, and now we get the answer as 1. And the process is finished with no exit code. Now, if I say 2, let's say print list 2, and then we would get 3. But if I say 0 colon 3, okay, what does this mean? So it means 0 2, it means 0 2 3. So it says 1 2 3, and I can print the whole list itself, which is like, so that is how like we can do it. And we can also concatenate two lists. So list 2, let's say list 2 is uh 4 comma 5 comma 6. Now list equals to list plus list 2. Now what will happen? It will concatenate the list, which means add the list. Okay. And if there are any, like, let's say, if I say like this, it doesn't match the like common elements. Let's say there's a 3 over here, there's a 3 over here. Then it won't like match them and have only one of that element, one element. It will have multiple elements which have the same value. Okay, this is all about lists. Now let's go to tuples. Tuples are very simple. Let's just finish this in 2 minutes. So tuples are just tuples are the values. They are like lists, but they cannot be edited, added. They can only be located. Okay, so let's say tuple tuple, or if not even concatenated. Okay, so this is the variable tuple. Oh, I have two p's over here. I don't know why. Yes. Now tuple is, this is a tuple. So print tuple, and then square brackets 0. Now it will just print tuple the coordinates of the first one, which is 0. And if I want to print from some length to some length, let's say 0 to 2, and then it will print 0 to 2, 0 to 3. So it will print 0 to 2, 0 to 3. This is how it works. Okay. So tuples are just basic things. You can only locate it. You can't do any sort of mathematical conversion or anything. So they are not really used. Now let's go to dictionaries. Now dictionaries are very good. Okay. So let's have dictionary. Tion dictionaries, or I will just write a dict. Okay, a dict dot. Okay. Now we have let's say dictionaries start off with this. Now dictionaries, have you ever seen a dictionary, a word dictionary in English, a dictionary in English? You will have that each word has its own meaning. So over here, each value would have its own outputs. Okay, so if I say 1, okay, let's say 1, if for 1 the value like given would be hello. Let me just have that in string, hello, hello. And for 2 it would be hi. Okay, hi. uh, Hi. Now what's going to happen? Okay, let me just add a comma, because after each dictionary element you have to have a comma. Okay, now what's going to happen? Okay, so let's just yes. Now we will have an input. So we'll have an input which says enter 1 or 2. Okay, it will say enter 1, 1 or 2. Now I won't add a string, so it will check that if anything. So we would have to say that. Okay, now we would have to say print the value entered. Okay, or before doing this, let me just explain you first. Okay, let me just explain you. So let's say I want to print. Let's say I will go to dict. Okay, dict, and these are very used. Dictionary is one of the most used. Okay, so now let's say you want to like enter 1. Okay, so print dict 1. Dict 1 means the element. Let's say this is the word and this is its meaning. The meaning is this and this is the word. So print dict 1. So print the meaning of from this dictionary, the dictionary name, and this, the word is this, like that kind of thing. Okay, so it will say hello. Why won't it print 1? Because the element stored in this one category is hello. So it will print the hello. So if we say input, okay, a, so the what was it? A. So a is equal to input enter 1 or 2. Now you see that I have put 1 or 2 in quotes because I want it to be a string, not a numerical value. In dictionaries, numerical values also work. You can have numerical value here or here or here or here. Okay, you can have it in the front, which is like the word, the meaning, the word, or in the meaning part. Okay, that, but let this don't disturb the syntax of the dictionary. Okay, just don't disturb the syntax. Rest, whatever you want to do, you can do in the dictionary. You can have any values. So enter one or two. So I, let's say I entered one, so it would say hello. Or if I run this again, if I do enter two, it would say hi. Let me just add a space over here. Let me just run this again. So if I entered one, it will enter hello, and then enter 2, it will have an hi. So this is all for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and it really helps me out to, it really encourages me to make these videos. And for people who really want to learn the object oriented programming and Python, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for whom are interested. Okay, so thank you guys, and bye.